Take a look at this. If you don't think you need to replace that bottom O-ring in your K1 or K2 drum, think again. Look at this one that I just pulled out. We have a break in the O-ring. And of course, it's as hard as cement. Let's take a close look at the bottom O-ring in this K1 drum. I've already drilled out the rivet heads. Let's pull it out. Well, there it is. It looks like most of the others I've seen, totally flat. And I bet you it's pretty hard too. Let's see if we can get it out. Man, if you can't poke an O-ring, it's definitely shot. Well, look at that. You want to see something interesting? Okay, further evidence you need to become a believer. These bottom O-rings in both the K1 and the K2 drums must be replaced. I think the problem is from heat. You remember the brake band clamps down on these drums, and I'm sure it creates friction heat, which is then transferred to the bottom of the drum and right in to the base of that O-ring, and that's why I think all these O-rings harden and lose their seal over time. So a word to the wise, don't neglect these.